Today we will be testing the VMMR2 indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the VMMR2 indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 546 indicators, with 231 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the VMMR2 indicator. And you can see it here on screen. And so we have a few different moving parts with this specific indicator that we are looking for as far as signals go. So first we have the big black line and the big blue line. Those are going to give us our overall trend direction. So when the blue line is above the black, then we are looking for only long trades. When the blue line is below the black, then we are only looking for short trades. Now, when it comes to the rest of the indicator, what we are looking for is the break of this center line here running along. I believe these, I'm not sure if these are Bollinger Bands. I'm not sure exactly what these bands are off the top of my head. Didn't dig into it too much. But basically what we have are we have the center line right here that's running through the middle of these bands. And so what we are looking for is the break of the price action above that center line or below the center line, depending on where the blue and black line are. So when the blue line is above the black, then we are looking for the price action to break up above that center line, and that will be a long signal. When the blue line is below the black, then we are looking for the price action to break below that center line, then that would be a short signal. And so that's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal that we picked up was a long signal right here. You can see that the blue line is above the black line. And you can see that price action comes up and breaks that center line that we have going on right there. Let's see if we can do this just to... The plot line there is that line that I keep referring to as the center line. There we go. That might make it a little bit easier to see. So we get that break of the plot line there, and almost immediately price action dumps down on us, stopping us out. Then we pick up another long signal right there, same setup. And you can see that price action pushes up really nicely right there. Comes down just one candle, gets really close to our take profit, but avoids it before that push to the upside, which then gets us to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up a short signal right here. We can see that that blue line is below the black line, and we can see that our plot line there, the big thick black line, we get that price action break to the downside right here, but price pushes up almost immediately. Let me double check that it... Yeah, so it didn't actually get stopped out there, so it would have been that candle right there. All right, so came up, got us stopped out right here, but we were already in that trade and working on that one when we got this signal, but then we got stopped out on this big candle. So on this candle right here is going to be the next short signal, and you can see that price action pushes down, getting us to take profit there. All right, so what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things won't get too long, and we'll pick this up at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. There to there. All right, let's go ahead and count these out and see what we've got. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 7 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we're looking for. I wish it gave us more trades within 1 year's time. And all in all, this is a complete trading strategy of its own. And so it's not really just a standalone indicator like we would think that might be able to, or it's possible that we could still stack it on top of other indicators. But all in all, I would say it's probably unlikely that we're going to be able to stack it on top of other indicators. By the time we do that, it's going to be overfitting, and we're going to run into more complications than I think it's going to be worth. And so, but nonetheless, this one will go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.